Currently, I'm the manager here at Goldwagen Edwin Swales. Goldwagen Edwin Swales is an automotive spare shop based in Durban, Edwin Swales, Rossborough. Our staff are all very friendly, a fun bunch of people. We like to do the best and provide the best service. This is our warehouse/storeroom where all our parts are kept. This is our loading and dispatch area. All our deliveries go out from here and all our receiving is done through there. Our customers are always very friendly. We like to think of them as friends more than customers. So we have built a very good relationship with everyone in our area here. Some items people usually don't know that Goldwagen would stock is window switches for your windows on the passenger side, your boot and bonnet shocks that keep your bonnet and boot up, and also door contact switches. We do have a lot of regulars coming in our store on a daily basis. Our workshops in the area are anywhere between 150 and 200. And I believe we built quite a good relationship with them as well.
My name is Kidash. I'm a salesman at Goldwagen Edwin Swales. I've been with the company since we started in 2020. So we actually do keep a lot of things that people don't know we do. Those small things that when are damaged are hard to find, hard to repair. So this is your door contact switch. Basically what this does is it makes contact with the door, and when it's not in contact, it puts on your interior lights. And when your door is closed, this is what helps to shut off your interior lights. And then obviously with your window switches, this is the control to power your windows up and down. Generally, customers are under the impression that their window motors are damaged or the mechanisms are damaged. Meanwhile, it's just the switch that's actually faulty on the vehicle. We have it for all brands of vehicles. Also have the clock spring, which basically this controls your vehicle's steering control, the airbag, as well as your indicator light switch also works off this on some vehicles. So this is also a very common part that we have here, which people don't know that we stock. This is basically your bonnet shock. It simply clips on the body and on the bonnet itself. And this is what keeps your bonnet up steady. So when this is damaged, you'll find that you're picking up your bonnet or your tailgate, but it just drops down. This particular tailgate shock is for a 5 Series BMW. As you can see, it has a heavy tension spring on it, which allows for when you press your trunk release button on the remote for your boot lid to pop up. So if you're looking for any of these items, you can come into our store or you can call us and give us your vehicle details, and we will help you in assisting and finding the correct one for your vehicle.
Thanks for joining us today. When in Durban, please make sure to visit Goldwagen Edwin Swales.